I broke my tripod. So the kind people at Telesin were able to send me a tripod, and I told them I wanted one that had the tripod mount, but also a selfie stick, because my other one only went up about this far, and now I can go like that. And if you ask me, that's pretty amazing. So I decided to go bring it with me to go do a daily vlog out in San Diego, the Rady Shell and Seaport Village. Come along. So right now I'm at the marina, I'm at the Rady Shell. In the backdrop, that's the San Diego Downtown Convention Center. All these boats right here, those are all rich people. I assume it must be nice to have one of those. Where I'm from, Chula Vista, the boats are nice, but I mean, all of these are rather large and they look rather new. There's one over here called YOLO. Let's shoot it. So currently I'm at the Rady Shell. It's an amphitheater down in San Diego, downtown. Well, actually on the marina. Let's take a look. I swear, I've never been in that lounge. So for someone that's mainly a daily vlogger, this tripod has really been something else. Not only is it like a solid base, but because it can extend so far, I've been able to kind of do these like manual drone looking type shots, which have been pretty cool. So it's like an added benefit to what I normally shoot, especially for my daily vlogs. You know, anything where I can add additional types of shots or get a little bit more creative, I feel like that's a win. For sure, this is one of those moments where you realize how lucky you are to live in a place like this. I mean, this downtown area is crazy. The shell thing's crazy. It's like, a lot of times I don't get out and you just realize I'm kind of blown away because it's a lot nicer here than I thought. It's not that far, I just make it seem far. So it's pretty sick that the Telesin can like go up so high, so now a lot of my shots can be eye level. When I was using the little tripod, it can only go up maybe about 6 to 8 inches. So a lot of times I had to prop it onto something, and now I don't have that problem anymore. So if you look right there, those steps, there's a lot of people that love running up and down those steps to get their exercise. Me, on the other hand, I don't even want to walk over there to film the steps. Thumbnail. One of my favorite creators puts fire trucks in his videos, so I'm gonna put fire trucks in my videos. Check out my fire truck. Back over there, that used to be a place called Joe's Crab Shack. Delicious. But you know what's funny? So it happens all the time with restaurants, is like, you'll talk about how delicious it is, and then if you were to ask me, when's the last time you went there? Probably 15 years ago. So you expect, like, how is a business gonna stay in business if people don't go? I always see that with restaurants. Like, a restaurant will close down, all the comments. It's like, that's my favorite restaurant. Me and my family would spend birthdays there. Oh my God, I love that restaurant. It's the best restaurant in the world. Well, then why did it close, bro? Why did it close? I was planning on going to like Seaport Village, but in order to get there, I gotta change parking places. So let's go and do that. do you know where to get the best donuts? So the weather is pretty overcast today. I mean, that's kind of how San Diego generally is. It's like overcast in the morning. By the afternoon, it starts to like fade away. And before you know it, it's sunny and hot. So right now is like the best time. Seaport Village is definitely what would you call that? Just a tourist destination. There's a lot of shops, specialty shops, you know, pricey souvenirs. So without the Telesin, I would never be able to get a shot like this. So I'd have to say this thing has been pretty convenient. I love how the base of it extends. And it's so like supportive. It's not gonna fall over. The one thing though is that because it is a universal mount, it has like a GoPro end. You don't have one of these. It doesn't come with it. I kind of wish that you know, it did. I kind of wish that it did come with it, but I understand if they don't supply that, it could be cheaper and it could be used for more cameras. You could just buy your adapter, or you probably have one. So, you know, what can you say? But this part right here, it's to lock it down. I generally don't lock it because that way I can swivel it around, and it's pretty firm where it's not going to fall over. But I do love the extension part of it, and I also like that it looks like a lightsaber, and if anyone ever tries to attack me, they're gonna lose. So I think that's a wrap for Seaport Village. I was gonna get one of the best donuts ever, but I'm thinking In-N-Out. So I went to go leave right now, and then when I went to the little parking meter with my validation ticket, it ended up being $16 if I didn't validate or something. So I figure, I think it's $5 if I do validate for 3 hours. So damn, I'm gonna go get my donut. I thought it said to park here is $5 for 3 hours, but I didn't know that was with validation. I might end up paying $16 anyways. Now you know why I don't come here. Can I get one of those apple pies? No, that's it. Do you validate by any chance?
Yes.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay, let's do some math. I think it's $5 parking. $8 donut. They were going to charge me $16 to get out of here. Basically, it costs you $15 just to come here. Is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. For the vlog, dude. You do things for the vlog. I guess, though, let's at least take a look at the donut. This one is the apple pie. Best donuts. It's got, looks like a dehydrated apple. Oh my God, that's the best donut. I'm just playing. It tastes like one of those donuts you get at the store for $1.50. But does it come with the ocean? Does it come with a beautiful backdrop? No. Does it come with a carousel? Does your donut shop have a carousel? Does your donut shop have ducks? I wanted to go to In-N-Out, I just spent my hamburger money. Scan. $5. Please keep the card inserted. Open the gate. Eating my expensive ass donut. Damn, that's a good donut. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Want Diet Coke? Would you like any ketchup on the side?
Yes, please.
No. Here you are.
Thank you.